Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, and today I'm gonna show you guys, well, this is gonna be the first video for a new hair challenge that I'm starting. And this challenge consists of rice water and onion juice. Yeah, I got this from a YouTube channel, and I'll link the video down in the description box below. So if you guys want to see that, just check the description box. I really want to see if it will grow my hair in a month, and I'll be doing weekly updates as well. So this is a screenshot that I got from the video, and when you watch the video you'll see how you're supposed to use the rice water and onion juice for the challenge. So before I start, I'm just gonna do little measurements, show you guys where I'm at, and then at the end of the month, well, today, I should say, today is January 26th, so this challenge will end on February 26th. Yeah, the left side is 8 inches, and I just really want to see if this will make my hair grow, or it will make my hair feel or look any healthier. I've been using rice water for about 3 weeks now, and man, I must say I love me some rice water. So let's see if the onion juice is gonna help me to retain any length, and see if I can get at least an inch, because my goal by the end of this year is to be at bra strap length, and I don't think I'm that far from bra strap length. Maybe I have about 5 more inches to reach bra strap length, and we're just at in January, so I have 11 more months left for 2019. I must get retain 5 inches. Like, I don't think it's impossible. It's not. Yeah, that's roughly half an inch per month. So let's see. So those are my measurements, and this is a shirt that I'm gonna be using to measure my hair. So each time I do like an update, there's where my hair ends at the back. So before I start with the rice water mixture, I wash my hair with shampoo. I didn't add that into the video because I just really want to focus on the rice water mixture thing. And yes, the smell is strong. The onion juice, the onion smell is very strong. So, and for shampoo, I use the Head and Shoulder shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just spraying the rice water and onion mixture, and I'm not gonna do a video showing you guys how I make it. If you watch the video, ooh, look at that bounce back. If you watch the video that I'll be linking in the description box, you'll see how she makes it, how she makes this hair miracle mixture. Yep, I see all these pictures on Instagram of people like their hair growing so fast, and that right there I was showing you when I was editing this video. I realized that I have a bald spot in the back of my head, guys, which is it's very surprising. I don't know. Well, not really surprising. I've always had issues with the hair in the back on my head. So yeah, let's see. I was wondering if I should if I should have added it into the video, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep it 100% on this channel and show you guys and see if this rice water mixture is gonna help. So I'm just doing it for the month of January. Well, it's the end of January, so it's mostly February. Doing it for the month and see if I notice any changes, any growth, any improvement in my hair. And if I do and I like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it for the rest of this year and see if it will help me get down to bra strap length, because that is my goal and I'm not gonna stop saying it because I really want to get down to bra strap length. Actually, my goal is waist length. So man, the smell isn't that nice, but huh, when you got goals, you gotta do anything you gotta do. So yeah, and don't worry about the smell. You can use essential oils, stuff like that. For me, no, I ain't got time for all of that. I don't mind the smell. Plus, after I put it in my hair, I'm gonna wash it back out anyway, so the smell isn't gonna be there. And it is very messy. Very messy. By the end of this video, you realize that that shirt is gonna be so wet because it's dripping everywhere. And by the time I was done, the side that I did first was drying, so I just spray some more on it so that the whole head was soaking wet, was dripping. The water would be dripping off your hair. So yeah, spray it, and mostly on the scalp. I sprayed it mostly on the scalp, and then I went down the hair shaft. So yeah, that's the little that was left. So I put it into a plastic bag. Thank God for a lot of bag. For an hour, and while you're waiting, you can do your face routine. You can use face mask like those face sheet masks, or you can use turmeric. Oh, I love this thing. So just put it on your face and you leave everything in for an hour. So just like that. So my hair has been in that plastic bag for an hour, and after I take it out, you barely smell it, to be honest with you. I don't know if my nose just got used to the smell or what, but afterwards I barely smelled anything. So yeah, little check. See? No smell at all. So I'm just fluffing the hair, just showing you guys how it looks. And let me tell you something, guys, it makes my hair so soft. It was crazy how soft it made my hair. So just showing you guys my problem era, my edges. Yeah, there I'm telling you guys that my hair is just so soft. So if it's just to make your hair feel soft, just go ahead and use it. And I'm showing you guys up top on how the top of my hair is looking. And that's my hair with no product at all. So all I'm gonna do is moisturize, and I'll talk to you guys next week. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.